Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston. We are on East Street heading down towards Port Royal Street. So on the right, that circular building, that's the tax administration building in Jamaica. And then this building now is one of the oldest buildings in downtown Kingston. Or this is a Gleaner company. They've been around for over 100 years. Almost 200 years. And they print the newspaper in Jamaica. Alright, so this street now, this intersection is North Street. So the Gleaner Company's address is actually North Street. So if we turn left, we'd go on to North Street, and that takes us back out to South Camp Road. But we're on East Street heading down towards Port Royal Street. Wow, that's not even a pothole, that's what you call a crater. Alright, so downtown Kingston was downtown Kingston was, it's about over 200 years old. So it was created after the earthquake in Port Royal. A very old town, but very historic. You can see a lot of these brick buildings are from hundreds of years ago. A lot of historic buildings down here. But also a lot of modern buildings. Like the Ocean Drive has some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. And some of the newest buildings too. So in old downtown, it's a mix between these old style buildings, like this brick building on the left, and as you get further down to the waterfront, you have more modern buildings. But the government has an initiative where they're trying to restore downtown, because a lot of the buildings that you see look so dilapidated or torn down, they are abandoned buildings. Nobody lives there, nobody claims them, they're just abandoned buildings. And the government is trying to get companies to move back downtown by giving them tax incentives, tax breaks, those kind of things. And it seems to be working, because a few downtown is being restored slowly, but as we get further down, you're going to see a lot of new infrastructure, new buildings, those kind of things. But outside of New Kingston, downtown Kingston is the largest business area in Jamaica. In Kingston, New Kingston is the largest, and looks completely different from. Well, it's a newer city, not a city, a newer town district. There are actually. It's a newer environment, newer buildings, newer district, you could say. But outside of New Kingston, downtown has a lot of business places. Okay, I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but if you look at the height of the buildings as we get going further downtown, that brown building with the brown glass with the Scotia symbol on it, that's actually the tallest building in downtown Kingston. It's the Scotia Center, and it's the second tallest building in Jamaica. Well, I don't think you can see it now, but we could see the top of it earlier. It's almost 5 o'clock and there is a lot of traffic. I'll say this traffic is very unusual. Not sure what's going on. I'm going to take a detour here because I'm not sure why there is so much traffic. We're going over Hannibal Street now, which is a one-way. So we can't turn down that one. Okay, this is Rum Lane. Let's see if we can go down this one. Yep, we can. This is a very nice name for a road, Rum Lane. Alright, so we're back coming out on Harbour Street now. Not sure why these barricades are here or why there was so much traffic earlier. Something must be happening down here. Alright, so we're on Harbour Street heading out of the city of Kingston now, or out of downtown Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.